Good morning, my teacher. My name is Vladimir Gutierrez Perdomo, and this is my activity, my video activity. And in this part, I'm going to explain the simulacrum. On Friday, April 30, in 2021, I carried out a fire drill in one of the Copetor oil batteries where I have been working for 10 years. The end of the activity at the scheduled activity terminal, I went with my co-workers in one of the company's vans to the nearest village for lunch. And the transfers by vehicle and during the journey along the road approximately 1 kilometer away in the vehicle we stopped to do somebody needs. And the incident, as I approached the edge of the road, I did not notice the damp terrain, and I slipped behind where I reached, placing my right hand on the ground, where a wooden stake was driven into my hand, which they referred me to the clinic, and they healed me. Thank you, dear professor, and goodbye.